The holidays are fast approaching, so let's take a look at some items from Parts Express. Today we're looking at gifts for the music lover. The Dayton Audio HTA100BT hybrid stereo tube amplifier successfully employs contemporary amp technology that faithfully pays homage to the classic amp design of the past. The HTA100BT authentically reproduces the warmth and character of tube amps with the flexibility the modern world expects. Enjoy the light and airy high frequencies from the Dayton Audio T652-AIR tower speakers. Like the B652-AIR, these speakers are all about giving you the most performance for your money while offering a little something extra from the fantastic AMT tweeter. The Dayton Audio MK402BTX offers incredible sound quality and an outstanding feature set in an unbelievable size. The refined crossover produces smooth high-end while retaining an impressive low-end. With built-in Bluetooth and an auxiliary input, playing virtually any media is possible. The MK402BTX creates a soundstage that is sure to awe even the harshest of critics. Follow the link to see the whole holiday gift guide where you're sure to find something perfect. Happy holidays!